3 levels of disappointed right now. My brother called this the 20-something 36 Oakwood Avenue special. Not gonna lie, going to go to the liquor store. Hey y'all, I'm Torian Tech, and that's Diamond the Dogho, and we're rock stars. No, like real rock stars. But this is our girl Nienke. At least that's how we found her. She's a 44-foot Catamaran, and with nothing but some elbow grease and a mechatronic systems engineering degree, we're gonna bring it back to life. So join us for the journey, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Sunday. Today, we're getting some work done on some fiberglass work done on our deck here to replace the stanchions. My guy Dave, he's gonna come over and do 8 of them. I think we gotta count them out. I think it's gonna be 1, 2, definitely 3, and then 4, and then definitely 5, 6, 7, 8, and I guess 9. Nah, we're gonna make it 10. Gonna reinforce 10 of those guys, and yeah, we're gonna get them right and tight. Gonna put some backing plates on them as well. That way, we're gonna put backing plates on all of them, but this is just to reinforce everything. Make sure that the lifelines are worth the. Eventually, gonna raise the lifelines when the price of steel goes down. Might gotta sell to China for that. But I just know that. I'm definitely trying to get these, like, right now they're rather short. You know what I mean? Like that's not fly. Like, I'm a tall guy, and so I'm on about 40 inches off the boat, and if I do that, I'll be happy. Just a work in progress. And then I gotta figure out the back gate situation, but once I get some netting, I think I'll figure it out. Excuse Diamond's shit over there. So yeah, full cockpit. Let's rock it. Hey y'all, Toeknee Tee and Diamond coming to you in real time. Today's August 11th, and I just want to say thanks. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing, and especially the last 2 because they're free and they help the channel grow. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. But if you want to do a little bit more than just watch us on YouTube, you should consider joining our digital crew. Yo, it's completely free to join. You get to see bonus episodes. You get to see how much all of this stuff costs, and most importantly, any contribution goes directly to keeping us going. So enough of me blabbering. See y'all later. Hey. Cause all this nimmer. Hey, cause all this nimmer. Hey, cause all this nimmer. Hey, cause all this nimmer. Yeah, hey, I hold it down there. Hey, Turk, you know I'm bossing, die advising. Crib my hand booty on the cute. I'm slicing, talking shit. Morgen allemaal. Or middag. Het is mijn verjaardag, which means today's my birthday. And guess what? I ain't got the parts that I need. So today, we've been chilling. I've been doing a whole bunch of stuff for my music today, so I haven't really been doing too much for the boat. But for the boat, I figure I started to get a hand on something. I at least want to put my steering back together. And so yesterday, I made the executive decision to just replace the chain that's right here for the starboard side. The port side, we've already got the wires out because they're no good, so we're going to replace those whole things anyway. And we'll have this. We already have this chain just waiting. But if the port side is an easy swap in, I'll probably do those shortly after I get into the engines. The sad thing is that because I got all the metal roller chains, you can see there. Took a little while to get everything off, and then there's some more over there. I got the thick, heavy shit this time, y'all. But the point is that for the roller chain, you need these connector pin thingies, and yeah, I only got 2 of them, so I think I'm gonna need to. Well, I just ordered them off Amazon. what I'm gonna do is, the plan was to just go, I was gonna put in the port side one since I've got like the chain and the wire, but because I need the connector and I can't test it until the other ones are back on, I'm just gonna at least connect the chain to the starboard side. That way I can at least test that, say that's Gucci, the chain's nice and, you know, got some tension on it. And then when the connectors come for the port side, I'll do that one tomorrow, put that all the way in. And so for the rest of my birthday, I'll probably just clean up the electrical room, make it nice and spiffy, because I gotta cover up that hole down there, which is letting all the mosquitoes in. I know that was long-winded, but I was trying to think and like speak at the same time, which should be second nature. Anyway, man, let's do this shit, y'all. Now I'm hoping and praying they didn't move while they were down there, but I think they're okay. I think they're okay. Nice and tight too. Plenty of tension on them hose. So I'm gonna call that quits. And if somebody wants to play, so it's time to play. I know I said I was gonna take it easy today, but I really wanna get a jump on them engines. And also, I've been meaning to clean this electrical room, but I really need to clean it because I believe, like, every night I get bit up by mosquitoes. I don't know where the hell they're coming from, but I'm pretty sure they're coming from this vent that's back here. But it's quite dangerous because the last time I went back here, some glass broke. So I'm trying to be careful. Yeah, gotta have a little bit of carefulness. I think the glass that broke is all the way over there, and I don't like touching that thing, but I'm pretty sure that vent up there is the source of my midnight mosquito bites. So yeah, we got to get that out. We got to get this stuff out, make it a little bit safer for me to get back there. So let's do it, y'all. Hey, hey, and that's what we do. Hey, hey, and that's what we do. Okay. I said I'm always high, blow it down, keep it low, and that's what we do. Hey, okay, and that's what we do. Hey, okay, get it, run it. You see, I'm always high, be thugging on the low. Box switch at the crib, ain't gotta hit the stove, no. Hey, ain't gotta hit the stove, no. Hey, okay, and that's what you see, I'm always high, be thugging on the low. Box switches at the crib, ain't gotta hit the stove, no. Hey, ain't gotta hit the stove, no. Hey, and that's what I'm in the lammy dog, I'm whining, just unpacking the year. From BBC to NR7, it's my music you hear. That down south twang with dabs of Dutch, you can't repeat like the end game. We fucked before, I been done, knew about your friend, eh? I'm on the up and up, movements like the airline. Popping off, hitting harder than your red wine. Lil' buzz off in my city, people definitely starting to notice. Met more fans around the globe, sniper gang ain't losing focus. Can't ride you street fighter, rappers get the knuckle. This ain't September the 11th, never will I buckle. First in the game, my destiny was to take your cookies. Who killed your swagger? 'Twas a bearded man, and baby see, I'm always high, be thugging on the low. Box switch at the crib, ain't gotta hit the stove, no. Hey, ain't gotta hit the stove, no. Hey, okay, and that's what you see, I'm always high, be thugging on the low. Box switches at the crib, ain't gotta hit the stove, no. Hey, ain't gotta hit the stove, no. Hey, and that's what we do. Living lavish, ain't a dream, that be the current statement. I put connections back to left. Shit. Whew, that was a lot. Damn. I ain't got a bag for that. It's a hell of a lot better, and I'll tell you that already. Man. All right, y'all, let's check out these engines together, see what's they got going on. Sorry, Diamond. That thing might be all right, baby. That thing really might be all right, baby. I know for a fact some wires in that harness have been eaten, so I may have to get a new harness from here on, but I mean, that might not be the worst thing. Ain't got nothing living down here, everything looks pretty okay. Oh no, we got something got hungry. Welcome y'all all. Hey, this is Donderdag, and it's Thursday, and today we are taking the portable AC back. Look, it conveniently fits. It conveniently fits in the two boxes that came from my mini split, so I'm happy about that because I totally threw away the box for that one. But man, look how much space we got in here now, y'all. Man, we are 2 gas tank sensors away from having a completely clear salon floor. I'm excited about that because I hate all the cables on the floor. I'm sorry, all you true sailors. I'm really trying to make this thing like a condo Marin. I need comfort. My dog needs comfort. And yeah, that's how life works. So we're gonna go check in with Joe, see if he can hitch us a ride for that now. I'm gonna go, not gonna lie, gonna go to the liquor store. And then I think the roller chain connectors for the port side are waiting in the office for me right now. So that'll be cool. And I can put that back on probably today because it's not the worst kind of day. So, see it. Huh? What's that, Diamond? He says that most of y'all ain't subscribed to us. So do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. Huh? Tongue-tied, different type of player. Hey, tongue-tied, different type of play. Tongue-tied, different. Sorry, what you talking about? Tongue-tied, hey, with my team on my back for this cream, all I care. Hey, I'm just a different type. With my team on my back for this cream, all I care. Hey, I'm just a different type. With my team on my back for this cream, all I care. What it? Hey, I'm just a different type player. Hey, I'm just a different type player. Hey, different type. Okay, Superman, know I stay in the water. Diamond in the main element, crew ain't no harder. Truly imperative that I get these ducats. Hit everything 2020, nickname buckets. International, not federal, I do my thing. You can keep them face screens, I don't play the game. Talking big cap, know your sensitive girly. And I'm a redneck with Billy, stay trapping early. False nation, get into it, got no time to hate you. Just cause I'm fucking on your cousin don't mean I'm related. Just cause I'm fucking on your friend don't mean I'm in your circle. Only thing by Netherlands, you ain't finding your top boy, now I'm more like acetate. Pull on rank on everybody, calling shots across the sea. Frederick Douglass on my head, different type of player. Kicking ass in that pandemic, it's the world. With my team on my back foot, it's cream all I care. Hey, I'm just a different type. With my team on my back foot, it's cream all I care. Little brekkie this morning, probably brunch time really, but here's what it is. My brother called this the 20-something 36 Oakwood Avenue special.
You got to relax your mind and get down tonight.
You got to, it's about to go. Hey, hey.
Relax your mind and get down tonight.
You got to relax. Yeah.
Relax your mind and get down.
Okay. Hey, Torian Tech and the dogho. Okay. Thousand things on my head, you know I'm stressing. Cross the big pond, my number one blessing, but I still gotta take the time to bitch and moan. Could be worse, got to grips, no chrome, got to dodge, no cops. The Germans, they be tripping only at roadblocks. Though I'm seldom in the streets, you can find me in my study. Mechatronics, engineer, calculator is my buddy. What's up, y'all? Just woke up from a glorious nap. Put that food away. Now I'm going to, now that we finally got our rudder on, we got rudders, 2 rudders. But what I'm gonna do, it doesn't fit all the way, and I wanna make sure it's gotta be super perfectly aligned. And in order to do that, this has to be all the way down. But there's a bit of growth that's stopping it down there since it hasn't been on there for a while. So I'm gonna get down with the scraper and scrape it on off. What's up, y'all? We got some inside action going on. We got our cable, we got our roller chain. It's time to quit pussyfooting and just gonna put it on in there. So since the rudder that we're installing is stuck facing to the left side, to the port side, I went ahead and synced the starboard rudder facing that way as well. Hopefully that works out. I don't have it in my brain, but let's see. What I got to do now is I got my handy dandy hydraulic crimper tool. We're gonna make some nice ovals here with the swages and these thimbles, and should make a nice clean mechanical connection before we put it inside to hold the chain. I was reading this. The reason that these have the oval crimpers on them